Wow! Let's open it. It's me, Leia. Leia, don't be too excited, okay? Let's open it. Let's see, I have. We have three. Wow! I got Mary. Leia, let's do it same time. You go first, like this, okay? Leia, Leo, Leia, Leo, Leia, Leo. Right? Okay, Leia first. Okay, can you help? Can I eat this chocolate? Yeah.
Let me see.
You get
Raya.
tissue.
Let me see.
Wow. Open it. Yeah.
Let me see.
What is it? Can I eat the chocolate? Taste good. I'll help you. No!
Leo.
I'll help you. What is it? Is that Oreo? Here, here. What? Wait, what? What is that? It's kisses.
Let me see.
Oh, you got Snow White, but she's golden.
Wow. It's a golden. Wow.
It's golden. I thought that was Oreo.
Wow. Oh, next.
Next Oreo.
Next Ray. Okay.
It's golden. Mommy, this is not golden. This is not golden.
It's a golden.
Leah, while you are waiting for your another egg, eat
Wow.
your chocolate. Wait till you mess up. Good. I cannot knife break it. Oh my god. This is how you crack it. Oh yeah. Oh, my favorite Paw Patrol, Chase.
Wow.
They,
Wow, so cute.
yeah, you have here. There, your turn. Me is correct. It's your turn. What's inside? Chocolate. Bye bye, Tascan. Not Tascan. Yeah. You practice like this? Yeah, if you want.
There you know.
It says blah blah blah.
No, don't you? What's that?
This is your size.
Let me see.
Let's see. Mommy, this is pretty this. What's this? Leah, where's the princess? It's my turn.
Oh, next, what's that?
I can help you. No. It's your sippy in my hand. What's sippy? Slippery. They're like this. Oh! Table. No, it's gonna hit your head. Table. Ask mommy.
You want help? Here you go.
That's easy how to do it. That's why I do it. What? Your favorite. Ariel, you wanted that for a long time. We got the golden Ariel.
Let me see.
Wow!
golden again. Wow.
They have to wear it.
Wow, let me see.
Guys, I gotta take it easy now. Yeah, this is for my name. Leia, make sure to talk a lot, okay? No, put it back. Oh, you have to open it with me? Yeah, this is for you. Okay, well, let's open it. Open it. Yeah. Need help? No, it's okay. I'll help. I can just eat in there. Look, this is how you do it in eating mode. What are you eating? That's right. Okay, what is this? Just this. Maybe to Marshall. Guys, what did I do? Oh, it's this, guys. Just put bubble. It's no so. See? Now my turn. We can do this. Wee. That's it. There, why is the princess there? Huh? The princess is there. I got the green one. My favorite color. It's like Christmas. Red and blue. That's blue.
Okay, next Leia.
This is fine. Oh, shit. Oh, I get Now, can I eat the chocolate? No. I'm eating like that today.
There we go.
Oh. That's a big bite to me. It's just no. Ariel, is just Ariel. Just try. Look. Oh,
Eat now.
I'm so strong. Mommy, get the juice.
What's that?
How many truffs? This is right there.
Oh.
What did you say?
Oh, Leia help.
What? Oh, what? Cookie.
It's a chocolate.
Leia, this time you got this. Ta-da! A ring.
Ring. Wow.
Guys, did you know Leia got golden, then ring?
Yeah.
I got normal chains with Santa Claus hat, rubble with sled with a Santa Claus hat. Next one will be. You want to do it with me? Yeah. Okay. Today is Thanksgiving and we are eating chocolate. That's not chocolate. Pink. There. I help you. I already cracked it and then Rhea cracked it. Oh my god, so much chocolate. It's the best day chocolate ever. Moo ha ha ha. Moo ha. Moo. Zuma with a sled. Rhea got 2 golden. Guys. Rhea got 2 golden, a ring, I got Chase with a Santa Claus hat and Zuma and Rubble with sleds and a Santa Claus hat. Right? Wow! Thanks for watching my chocolate egg opening video. I hope you like and subscribe. Bye guys. There, say bye. Bye.